Welcome, STEMgineers, to STEM to Stern, the podcast where curiosity meets critical thinking. Join Chauntée and Jake as they discuss STEM topics that spark debate and exploration.
Hey everybody, welcome back to STEM to Stern. I'm Jake.
And I'm Chauntée.
And today's question for discussion is, where does lava come from?
Well, we should start with the concept of it's initially called magma, begins as magma.
Gotta be
Inside of
careful
a
with our
volcano.
definitions.
That's right. Inside the volcano, magma is formed, and then as it comes out, shoots out into the air, it becomes lava. And as the lava cools, it becomes obsidian rocks.
Thank you, Minecraft. Yeah.
Well, I've never played Minecraft, but go for it, Mr. Minecraft.
I mean, you pretty much just said it. Like, yeah, like you have like high pressure and temperature in the inside of the earth, and it causes rock to melt. And so, yeah, it's a magma when it's inside the earth, and when it comes out, it's lava, right?
Right.
It's kind of like the whole like difference between like a meteor and a meteorite and all that.
Yeah. So, and the cool thing is with that is then we can take the obsidian rock and actually break them open and study inside of it to see how the layers are formed and how rocks are formed inside of that. Because it's a pretty cool concept. Some of my favorites.
Have you ever been like close to a volcano at all?
No. Have you?
No, I've never been to Hawaii or anything like that, but it would be really cool. I think it would be cool to like.
Hawaii has some really, really intense volcanoes there.
Exactly.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
Was it Kauai or something like that? Is one of them?
Kauai?
Kauai, I think is
so.
how you say it. Yeah. That one, I believe, is the most recent one that's exploded there.
Yeah. Oh, it's like continuously.
Yeah,
pumping
it's active. Sorry, it's active.
It's continuously pumping out lava,
yes.
Not magma, because it's outside.
Outside.
There you go.
Not on the inside.
Yeah.
It's a very interesting concept. If you want to form your own obsidian rock, which is something I've done before, I've actually taken crayons and melted them, and then allowed for the crayons to cool, and you get to see the concept of how they're formed.
Oh, it's a cool analogy there.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
It's a fun way to do that. You can take crayons and make all different types of rocks actually with them. I've done it where they've done sediment rocks where you're stepping on them and kind of pressuring them down
and
into
then you can, when you're done with them, you can draw with them. That'd be pretty cool.
So it's double use. We're not wasting the crayons.
Exactly.
I also make sure that you're not doing it without supervision, because you do have to melt it somehow, and so you're going to need some type of temperature.
Exactly. Safety first.
Yes, but it's very fun.
Whether you're melting crayons and forming rocks, or if you're studying volcanoes, you see, like the guys have to wear those. The men and women who study volcanoes in the world, they have to wear like those big suits, so like they don't get too hot and everything. And that would be a fun job. That'd be a fun job.
It would be fascinating.
Going taking like little samples of lava
and figuring out when it's going to explode.
Yeah.
It's a really fun thing. So yeah, definitely magma, lava, obsidian, those are all really cool concepts. And the idea of the science behind the lava cooling and how long it takes to cool, and then what temperatures need to happen for it to be able to actually harden all the way. I'd be very fascinating to look at. So.
It's pretty interesting that it gets that hot and the pressure is that high within the earth, which is really cool. And the fact that the earth is like volcanically active is one of the reasons why we have life here. And Mars doesn't, because Mars is kind of like, Mars has Olympus Mons, which is the biggest volcano in the solar system, but it's dormant because Mars doesn't have its liquid insides anymore.
Let us know in the comments if you have a favorite volcano and or questions about magma, lava, obsidian.
Thanks for tuning in to STEM to Stern. We hope today's episode got you thinking. If you enjoyed the discussion, subscribe and share it with others. And be sure to check out our show notes for free resources and links that go along with today's episode. Until next time, keep questioning and keep exploring, STEMgineers.